Thirumalai Selvan Shanmugam was told to leave TCS in 2015. The reason cited for his termination was underperformance. But Shanmugam wasn't convinced. He moved the labor court in Chennai against the IT giant, seeking reinstatement. And after 7 years of trial, he got what he wanted. Principal Labor Court in Chennai directed TCS to reinstate Shanmugam. This case might have some long-term effect. It shows that unions and workers are evolving in the new setup and asserting their rights in IT companies too. And as a result, the IT firms could face greater pushback from employees in future cases of performance-related or large-scale terminations. In setting aside Shanmugam's termination, the Chennai court did not accept the IT giant's argument that he was not covered under the Industrial Disputes Act's workman definition because his role had been supervisory in nature. A legal expert told a financial daily that the Shanmugam ruling suggests that employees of IT companies are not automatically exempt from the purview of the Industrial Disputes Act. Another legal expert said that the law has quite a wide definition of workman. This definition does not change under the new labor codes, and exclusions to this definition are also limited.
The judgment gives two important. It answers two things. One is earlier, all the IT employees fall under managerial category. It's not like that. Based on their work nature, it will be decided. It has clear argument, everything it mentioned that the person working for the development or the software testing or development, he is a employee, like worker category only. And another thing is the long, even though it's a long wait, we got the answer, like we will get all the salary back, and we will get this job back. So this reinstatement judgment gives more strength to us. We resolved so many issues. Now there are so many cases are going on in multiple cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and Kolkata. So it's going on. So the number is like already, I think, like we might have crossed more than 1,000 cases already all over India, and many success history we have.
TCS and the other companies should rethink. Especially, there are certain things which they have been looking at, and if you look at the bell curve, which has been there previously, has been reimagined before. Now, this particular case has been a bit older case, so it is not appropriate to benchmark the situation which we have today with the situation which we have few years back. But having said so, I would say that there is always an opportunity to rethink and relook from a larger interest of employees in the organization and see that it should not negatively impact, or it should not create any such situations from a legal perspective. And I am sure that the IT industry will think, and especially when in this kind of a scenario where demand and supply gap is huge, and this kind of news doesn't positively contribute to the overall situation.
At present, the IT industry is more concerned with incredibly high attrition rates. Retaining talent is the topmost priority. However, there are many who have not forgotten the mass layoffs seen in the past decade. In 2021, the Indian IT sector employed around 16 million workers. As recently as June last year, the National Association of Software and Services Companies had to allay fears of job losses in the IT sector. In response to a report projecting mass IT job losses, the IT industry body had said that the sector would continue to be a net hirer of skilled talent and that the top 5 IT firms had plans to add over 96,000 employees during FY22. A Bank of America report had said that with automation taking place at a much faster pace across industries, Indian software firms would slash jobs by a massive 3 million by 2022. So going forward, this Chennai court ruling, combined with the upcoming labor codes, will make the employees' position in IT companies much stronger. It will also force IT firms to improve their handling of performance-related exits or mass layoffs in a better way.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
तुम इतना डर गए?
अब क्या किया?
शेयर्स में ट्रेडिंग।
तुम्हें 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
ओए, अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर मिलते हैं रिसर्च टूल्स, पोर्टफोलियो एनालिटिक्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज भी। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है, investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.